Cool, today we're going to take a look at a Haskell script that I use multiple times a week to scaffold blog posts for my blog. Okay, so this is the entire script. As you can see, it's just a few lines and it's a really simple use case. Okay, we're not going to cover the upper part too much. We just define the fact that this is a stack script by defining the interpreter here. And then we're going to say that we are going to be using two packages, directory and time. And below that, we start with the, let's say, normal Haskell stuff. So we have some imports. Now let's discuss for a second what we want to achieve here. The idea is that we want to create a file which is in the posts folder. It has today's date, then a to-do part because it's going to be replaced later on, and then the extension is markdown. What we want inside of that file is exactly this part here. The idea is that I'm going to be filling in the details later on. I just want to scaffold a new blog post. We first get today's date by using getCurrentTime and formatting the date with this format here, which means today is something like that. Then for the file name, we use fold. This is a trick. So fold, the way it works is that it takes a foldable, in this case a list, and then it uses the monoid instance of the values contained in the list to squash everything together and produce one value. In this case, we have strings inside of the list, and the monoid instance for strings uses string concatenation. So applying fold to a list of strings means concatenating all of the strings into one string only. Then we go on and check if the file name already exists, and when it exists, we exit with an error. You can think of when as a sort of like a monadic if. And lastly, in case the file doesn't yet exist, we write to this path this string. And from matter is just a string containing a unique string of the entire content of the file that we want to create. Yes, and that's how we do functional programming inside of a script. If you have any feedback, please make sure you let me know. I'll see you next time.